The combination, I would say, of trading and family. And you just heard Dave talk about, wanting to be able to go in, do what you need to do, and then, get out and do something else. And don't just hang out by the computer all day. And
Right.
one of the things that I found, by virtue of my trade plan that I had for 2017 is that I knew I had two very specific events that were happening during the year. One of my daughters got married this year, and also we were planning when my nephew also was getting married out in Wyoming, we were going to plan a big family vacation where everybody was going to go. And so basically I had to kind of put into my plan effectively 2 months where I knew I really wouldn't be able to trade. So I had to kind of rearrange things a little bit as far as capital and stuff like that for the year. But what I found was that, I was able to go and effectively, meet my objectives for the year and put family, planned it in because these were two, kind of lifetime events basically. And it actually worked.